Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use cruise control Dodge Caravan easy method. Set a safe speed, accelerate to your target, then press the cruise on button and set the speed. Keep your feet near pedals and monitor traffic constantly. Use RES to resume after braking and cancel or tap brakes to disengage. Always adjust for hills and weather conditions to stay safe and in control. Find the cruise control cluster on the steering wheel right side and familiarize yourself with on, off, set, res, and cancel. Turn the system on, accelerate to the desired speed, then press SET to hold it. To temporarily cancel, tap the brake or hit cancel. To return to the previous speed, press RES. Always keep hands on the wheel and be ready to take over when traffic or road conditions change. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical tips and guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Trees Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that makes your drives more pleasant. I use it in my own vehicle and it brightens every trip. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use cruise control only when roads are dry and traffic is predictable, and never in heavy congestion or on slippery surfaces. Keep both hands ready on the wheel and your feet close to pedals to override instantly. Before long downhill stretches, manually reduce speed to prevent overworking brakes and maintain control. If conditions change, turn the system off and drive manually until it is safe to resume. Prioritize safety over convenience every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.